How are you, wherever you are, and welcome again to Kikuyu Lessons with Teacher Martin. Hope that you are doing well and following with the content that we have been sharing here. And today we have another wonderful content. We are going to share some 10 common Kikuyu names of people that you always be hearing as you listen to the Kikuyus converse. So, I'm Teacher Martin, and I hope that before I start, you have subscribed to this channel. Kindly also share, comment. Yeah, let's continue growing together. Thank you for all the new subscribers. May God richly bless you. So, today we are going to have some common Kikuyu words. The first one is mother. So in Kikuyu, mother, you can either say mami, mami. I hope you can see that word here. Mami or maito, maito. Mami or maito. Then we go to the second word, father. Father, you can either say fafa, okay, awa, and you also have the third word, which is dogwo. So the most common one is fafa. Remember in Kikuyu we say that a B that is not preceded with an M is read as F in English or V. Yeah, the sound is in between V and F. So the most common word is fafa, but some people you also say awa. Some old people you still use the word dogwo. For instance, someone will ask you dogwo aleko, and some Bibles also talks about dogwo. And also for mother, there's another word that I have not included here, which is nyokwa. So in the old Kikuyu Bible would say tea dogwo na nyokwa. That is, obey your father and mother. So our third word is grandmother. In Kikuyu, it's just as simple as shosho, shosho, shosho. Our fourth word is grandfather. You simply say guka, guka, guka. Our fifth word is aunt, auntie, which becomes tata, 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 tata. So these are a long sound, so it sounds like tata. The same with the show. You hear that wrong sound. Mami. Mami is just mami. Okay. Fafa is just fafa. But for shosho is shosho. Guka is just guka, short sound. Tata is a wrong sound, which sound like tata. Okay. Our sixth word is uncle. In Kikuyu, it's as simple as mama. Listen to the intonation. Mama, mama. It is not mama. It is mama, mama, mama wito, our uncle. Then we have our seventh word, which is brother. In Kikuyu, it's simple as moro. Moro is brother. Moro wa maito. Maito actually is mother. Mostly, the brother and sister, they are attached to the name is attached to the mother, so it becomes moro wa maito. Moro wa maito. This moro just means a son of someone. Moro, that's a female, a female person belonging to someone. So that is just moro wa maito. That is brother. For sister, it becomes moale wa maito. For sister is moale wa maito, my sister. Moale wa maito, sister. Then our ninth word is Fred. It's as simple as morata, morata, morata wakwa, my friend. Morata wakwa, my friend. We morata wakwa, you are my friend. We we mulata wakwa. You are my friend. Then our last word is enemy. Enemy. Though, 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 that is enemy. Though yakwa, my enemy. Though ito, ne shaitani, our enemy is Satan. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you want to have more customized paid classes, do not hesitate from contacting me on my email martinkarai@gmail.com, or WhatsApp me or call me or text me on +254 718 317 877. So may God bless you and may God do you good. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now. See you in the next.